Hey everyone! If you're having trouble setting a ringtone on your phone, maybe your ringtone isn't working, or you can't apply your favorite tune, then this video is just for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set or change your ringtone easily on your phone. So make sure to watch till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open your phone settings. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the Sound and Vibration option. Tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit more and you'll find ringtone options for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Tap on the one you want to set a ringtone for. From here, you can see all the default ringtones available on your device. If you want to use a custom sound or a song from your phone, just tap this device or choose from files, depending on your phone's options. Select your desired ringtone, and that's it. So that's how you can easily set or change the ringtone on your Android phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful mobile tips. Thanks for watching.